NASA was once fined for littering, except the litter was not a bottle or a plastic bag. It was an entire space station. In July 1979, people around the world were following Skylab, America's first space station. It could no longer remain in orbit and was about to fall back to Earth. The problem was that nobody knew exactly where. Newspapers published possible impact zones, and people kept looking up, wondering whether pieces might fall near them. NASA tried to guide the station over the Indian Ocean, far away from major cities. But Skylab broke apart later than expected. Some of the debris traveled farther and reached Western Australia. During the night, residents heard several powerful sonic booms and watched long streaks of fire race across the sky. By morning, people were finding twisted metal tanks and other pieces of the station scattered across the countryside. Luckily, nobody was injured. A few days later, NASA representatives arrived to inspect the debris and speak with local officials, and the local authorities had a surprise waiting for them. The Shire of Esperance issued NASA a fine of $400 for littering across its territory. The ticket was mostly a joke, but it was really presented to the visitors. NASA never paid it. So the fine remained unpaid for 30 years and became part of the town's local legend. Then in 2009, an American radio host told the story on air. His listeners collected the money and paid the fine on NASA's behalf. So Skylab ended its mission scattered across the Australian outback, and the final bill was eventually covered by ordinary radio listeners.